Hey guys, welcome back, and today guys I am setting up my camera. So I'm setting up my camera. I have these little gadgets to go on it to set them up, and I'm gonna introduce today. So today we're gonna talk about 4K. Hope that zoom in. Nope, not making it. The 4K, brand new Sony 4K. I'm gonna get the right name, the RX. And actually, I never do a review on it, so see the name here. So this is a brand new RX10. Yeah, the brand new RX10, guys. I'm just using right now my phone. Sometimes you think about it. Do you need all these cameras? Do you need an expensive camera to do videos, to make your channel, to make content? Some of the time the answer would be no, you don't need it. If you have a good phone, you don't really need it. But it depends what you're gonna do. You might end up need it. Like in this case, I have a purpose for this one. So that's why I'm having this one. So just unboxing. It didn't come in any fancy stuff. It just like a simple box. I put it in, and this material that cover it over like that. That's how it came. So nothing too fancy, but this equipment is expensive. I wouldn't say over expensive, but it costs some money. And it's very good. It's all in one. The zoom, the way how the zoom set up is all in one. I'll be doing a little of that, showing you a little of that, but it's all in one. So right now what I need to do, I need to set up. As I said, I need to put these together. That's what I'm trying to do as I speak. But I know it's hard to do with one hand. So I'm doing this into different sections. Making the video in different sections, let's say that. So, here, I want some lighting and stuff. So this is a stand that come with this light in here. I need to press to get this in. Okay, so make I continue setup and then I get back to this. But this lighting is very good, you know. If you need more lighting to show more of what I want to show, then it is good for that reason and purpose, yeah. So make I continue setup my RX10, Sony RX10. This is a camera that I'll be using to do my live stream when I'm at the plane spotting. So this is the purpose of this camera. I need it so I can get good quality, good sound system. I have the mic that come with it. Actually gonna set up on top of this. So I have a mic that come with it. Maybe I'm turning it the wrong way. Not sure. Should it be this way? And then this turn around. Anyway, I will set it up. It's turned sideways. But let I finish with the setting up. And as I said, I have the light here. Guys, you don't really need a lot to do this. So this, I have this camera, but I was gifted this camera, and then I get this one for my birthday. I buy this for myself because I wanted it for my birthday, so I get this for my birthday. Okay, let I continue. Then we're gonna turn it on and maybe show some of the features and stuff. All right, guys. So as I was saying before, shaking because my hand is on the table and everything. I have to be careful. Yes. So, right. So this is the camera I want to talk about. And as I said, it's just a very nice camera, Sony. And actually, this buy separate, but it was recommended. I buy this on Amazon. So everything here is from Amazon. Also, I get this off Amazon. These are all connected. So this is a cable, they call it video capture. So this cable is very important because this cable you need to connect here to the side, like where you see the mic is connect. If you look, you can see where the mic is connect. That one need to connect down at this bottom, and that is very, very important towards using a camera like this, because if you're going to do live streaming, like at plane spotting, like what I really going to do most of the time, or some of the time I will be doing that, then it will work so good, because this is what send the signal from the camera to your, if you have a laptop or a receiver, then that's what going to send it, and then that translated into YouTube. So all of that work good together. I hope you guys are hearing me fine. Now it come with this protective case. Here we go. They come with this protective case. Right. So this is, as I said before, my RX10 Sony camera. Very, very nice camera. It have good lens. I'm still learning a lot, or need to learn a lot about this camera. There's so much features in it that it's gonna take me a while, guys, to go through and learn them. So what I can do is just to show you a few of the operation. So when you turn on, this is what happened. You see, I'll turn it back off. So this is how it is. So these lens are all in one. You turn on, then you go like that. Then you can even extend it much more. So if you want to zoom, you can extend it. I think, yeah, that's the length is 600. So yeah, so it's 600. The full length is 600, yeah. So it's a 35 mm, right? So that's the full length, and that is very, very good. Now you have so much, as I said, there's so much features. All right, make I pull it back in a bit, because I want to show you our next part of it. Okay, so you see, you can even see me through it. You can see me through this. So I unplugged this part of it, but it has so much features in it. As I said, I need to learn all these different features, but the camera itself is a very good camera. And the quality that you get from this camera is super, super good camera. The quality is really good. You can, oh, is it my battery need to charge up? Let's see. 19%. Yeah, the battery need to charge up a bit. But you have so much good features, as I said. Right? I know it's a bit far and you might not be seeing everything properly, but it come with this, and this is where you can adjust a lot of the features. You can put it on auto, you can put it on P, you can put it on A, S, M. All of them have different function, but the best one, I think, and the one I most use is the manual RP. Those are two, or auto. So it all depends like what you really want it for. So if you're going to take picture, this is very good also for picture taking. Yeah, you can change the lighting. There's a button here you press. You can use it to change the lighting, how to adjust if it's night, day, whatever it is. The zoom is so good. There's so many different features. As I said, I'm still learning, and I have a lot to learn about this camera, but the quality of the camera is really good. Take good pictures. If you're going to take pictures, if it's for videoing, it's very, very good. See, I'm showing some lighting and everything. And as this I should talk about this. This is the speaker, as I said, the mic. So you plug it in here, and this mic really it pick up any form of sound. Very sensitive. So it pick up so the simplest of sound you make, this mic will pick it up. So if you're outside doing a live stream for playing, it's very good because pick up all the sound. But there's some other equipment that you can use to use it to like a equalizer, so you can actually balance the sound, so you can, based upon what you want to pick up louder and less, then it's good. And of course it come with this this is for the to help for the breeze and everything, the muffling, so it can help to prevent lessen the sound of the wind. Yeah, they have a name, I just don't remember the correct name, right? So guys, as I said, I have a lot to learn. I'm still learning about it, but I would recommend this camera. I would recommend it. It come with the screws underneath here. I'm gonna turn this off because the battery is low. So you can put this up on your tripod or whatever you have. Even like this can screw in it. I think it's the right size, so I will show you. It's a little smaller, but it still hold it, and then you can set it. I don't think this is, because the camera is so heavy. This camera is very heavy, guys. Right? We're gonna put it here because it's sliding over there. Okay, there you go. So you can set. Make sure, because this thing, you see. So yeah, it's very heavy. So you need something heavier than this to keep it. But I'm telling you, the quality for this is super good. I will take this off because this cannot, the weight of the camera is super heavy, yeah. So there you go. This is your Sony, as I said before, the RX10. Good quality, a bit expensive for real, but depends what you want it for. As I said, if it's for making good videos, live streaming, taking pictures, this is a camera. Also, it comes with this like a part extra camera. You can actually pull it out, and you can, you know, depends the angle what you want to see, so you can pull it out. I forgot this part of it. So when it's on, and then if you are like pointing like this, then you can see what's going on from here. Also, you can look through this if you don't want. If you want to see more, you can look through here. It also, you can add, there's an next equipment where you could add to this, you know, like a monitor, a bigger monitor. So if you want to see more, especially if it's in the daylight, you will not able to see good through this. So if you have a monitor, with the proper monitor, then you're able to see much better. So these are just some of the items. As I said, it come with this. Oh, I did miss this part also. You have this nice piece here where it connect to it. So it also helps for the lighting are exactly what position, what you want to focus on. So I can't find the right part now to put it on. It have the link there, and it show exactly where to join it. There we go. So if I turn this on again, see, so it come with that also. Very professional camera. You can see, very good camera. The battery is low. The battery is very low. Oh, I need to zoom out. I'm zooming in. Yeah, there we go. Just showing you from a different angle, you can see me. So the battery is very low, so I don't want to, I need to charge it up. And as I said, this part you can pull out. You can pull it out to see even more. So very complex and compact. It's a compact camera, not complex, compact. but I would say it's not hard to use. It come with of course you get a menu with it, so you can go through it and see how to use it. It's not so hard to use, so why not? Okay guys, so this is my brand new camera. Highly recommend. So if you are interested in this camera, go over to my link in any of my description. You will see the Sony RX there. You click on it and it will take you straight to Amazon, and that's also supporting me if you do that, because if you do it and you buy it, then of course that's the only way I will get some form of commission. But this is not sponsored. This is just me showing you. It's not sponsored any at all. So right away, unless they want to sponsor, but it's not sponsored. Yeah, but you can support it also by just clicking on the link. It will take you exactly there. If you want a very good camera for taking photos or making live videos, this is a camera. It have a lot of space. You actually have to buy your memory space and put it in it separate. The battery lasts can last you, so this is where you put in your memory. So it depends what size you want to put in, but the battery lasts you up to half an hour. The battery lasts you up to half an hour. I use it already if I'm full, and it lasts me more than half an hour, but I would say half an hour is the max. Depends exactly what you're doing. So very good camera all around. So I do recommend. You can see, very good camera. Okay guys, so check it out in my description, and just go ahead and click on it and check it out. If you're looking at camera, here you go, one is right here in front of you. So until next time guys, continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will always able to show you more content. If I'm getting equipment, I will show you how they work in more details than this. This is just showing you the outer part. Really, I didn't go into details of this or much of a details. Just what I'm saying, it's not so hard to use. You turn on, you use the manual and you go through it. You can start take pictures, do video right away, and upload your work right away. It's not that complicated. All right guys, until next time, see you soon.